Yo, what up, fam? It's Munchie here. So basically, I was looking all around to figure out how to make a file executable on a Mac. I love the Scoopta tutorial. He gave me everything that I needed to know for how to make my project through that pure spider template. That was the only thing that was missing. So basically, if you go into your layers here, you can see I got everything saved from my first project here. You're just going to go into that get info. You want to be clicked into one of the folders, so then you get that whole folder name all the way to that end of that fx hash pfp master. You're going to copy that, switch right over to the spotlight search and open up terminal. Once you got terminal open, it's pretty easy. You just do cd for the current directory and then paste that location that you just copied. Once you're in there, you just do chmod space 755 space generate.sh. Enter again, brings up another thing. This is where you do cd for current directory and go to right where you have it saved, that desktop, and then fx hash pfp masters, the name of the folder. Enter again. The last thing is period backslash generate.sh. That makes the file executable at that point. It starts going. I don't really know what that means, but it means that you can do what you need to do with it. So it's going to create 3 separate folders. The first folder is node modules. My computer's pretty slow, so it gives me a lot of time to talk, but you can see it working down there in the terminal. The second folder that's going to pop up is dist, and then the third folder that's going to pop up is dist zipped. That zipped file is going to be right in that last folder that pops up. So then once you got your zipped file, you can just drag it wherever you want. I did my first project right on fx hash, so I was able to just drag it right from there to the sandbox and start playing around with it. But it's relatively easy. If you got any questions, shoot them down below, and I might do another video just playing around with sandbox now at this point.